Hello beautiful, welcome back to Nat's Beautiful Life. Today I'm going to talk about and do a quick demo on the new Tarte Rainforest After Dark palette. I gotta say, I love this palette. It's amazing. I will link below a little review I have on it from the beauty blog that you can click on and read all about it. And it's a little dusty. It's got a lot of use. You can see some more swatches and things like that. So anywho, with this palette, you get a giant mirror. It's pretty sleek too, I will say. It's pretty thin and sleek. So I think this is just the perfect thing for travel. But anywho, you get 6 eyeshadows. You get a bronzer, which is the famous Park Avenue Princess, which I love. And you get a champagne highlight, and that's what it's called, champagne. And then you also get this blush, which doesn't swatch very well on my finger like that. But anywho, this is called Unleashed, and this is one of their famous, what do you call them, Amazonian clay 12-hour blushes. And I tell you, I love it. I think this one is actually, what do you call it, exclusive to this palette. So the color scheme in it is you get 3 kind of neutral shades, and then you get this really pretty gold shade. Yeah, it's gold. I don't know if you can see it there. And it's just, like I said, it's a little powdered because it's been loved. It's been loved. And then you get 3 kind of purpley mauve shades, and that's what I'm going to be using today to do this look. I love this look. This is one of my favorite new looks that I have been doing for myself. This is kind of like an everyday go-to now. It's so stupid easy. I know I always say that, but it really is just working with these 3 shadows here. If you check out the beauty blog, this week I have been dedicating all of the looks to the Tarte Rainforest After Dark palette. So I did a look using, actually this look, so you can get an actual detailed written out tutorial on the beauty blog of this look. I also did a look using just the 3 neutral shades, and then I did a look that was like dark nighttime look that will be up this Friday, and that is using all of them. I kind of mixed the colors together. The shadows are really buttery and nice. There's not a super lot of fallout, but like I said, this one has been super loved. I really made a mess of it. I love the Park Avenue Princess. That is one of my new favorite bronzers. Absolutely love it. Also, the champagne highlight. It is in the same color scheme of the Mary Luminizer, which is my favorite, but it's not quite as stark shimmer. It does have shimmer, and I've used that a lot for under the brow and everything. I am wearing it today on my highlight points, but it's more subtle. So if you would like a highlight, but you don't want it to be like super highlight, then this is a great highlight. So I'm not going to ramble on. I can just tell you I love this palette. I believe it retails for $38 anywhere, and wow, it is dirty. But anyway, this is great. I mean, I kind of like did the math. I mean, one of their blushes is $20. The Park Avenue Princess, I believe, is $30. Am I blinding you with this mirror? Is this what's happening? And everything, kind of adds up there if you were to buy them separately. But $38 for 6 wonderful shadows that you can do so many different looks with. You've got a full-size blush in there. That is totally a full-size blush. A good highlight and a good bronzer. You can't beat that with a stick. So I highly recommend this. I recommend that if you're traveling or anything like that, pick this up. I mean, this is all you need to take with you, and that's kind of my plan. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy the tutorial that's coming up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Yeah, that's all. Don't forget to check out the beauty blog, Nat's Beauty Blog. There's a new look every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to check out natashamedina.com. That is the gateway to everything I do, and there'll be some new tabs coming up this week and next week on both of those blogs. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get going and have a great day, gorgeous.
But just give it time. If it don't hurt now, just wait a while. You're not the big fish in the pond no more. You are what they're feeding on. So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? Ain't it fun? Live fun in the real world, yeah. And ain't it good being all alone? Where you from? You might be the one who's running things, yeah. Well, you can ring anybody's bell and get what you want. You see, it's easy to ignore trouble when you're living in a bubble. So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? Yeah. So what are you gonna do when nobody wants to fool with you? Oh no, no, oh no, no, ain't it fun? Live fun in the real world, yeah. And ain't it good, no, no, being on your own, yeah. Oh, ain't it good to be on your own? Ain't it fun, you can't count on no one? Ain't it good to be on your own? Ain't it fun, you can't count on no one? Ain't it fun? Be fine in the real world. Don't go crying to your mama, 'cause you're on your own in the real world. Don't go crying to your mama, 'cause you're on your own in the real. Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Baby, now you're one of us. Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Live fine in the real world. Oh, ain't it good living on your own? Ain't it good to be on your own? Ain't it fun, you can't count on no one? Ain't it good to be on your own?
seriously? What is with my hair? What's this? What's this? What's happening? What are you doing? My hair, my eyebrows are massive today. I don't know, I think I look really pale too.